All right, this video is going to be super quick and easy because it's probably the most basic funnel that you can have. It's the free report funnel. Super simple. Uh, Not going to spend much time on this one, but this is just one that you can duplicate over and over and over for the different niches and stuff that you're in periodically. Okay, so let's just take a look at it. It really just gives you some framework versus having to go through and swap everything out. You got a landing page, thank you page. Basically, this is where you can send your go-to link for just getting some information out there. Change up the color, look, style, but you're basically giving away simple type solutions to, 4 simple steps to getting, better abs without giving up the foods that you love, kind of thing. This free report reveals the key success to helping you get in the best shape without the common, foodie frustrations going forward. And download that free report, whatever it might be, just enticing different offers. Use the funnel checklist, okay, if you want to have some ideas for the different temperatures. All right, for your free report, you basically really just want to use this. You can make a different checklist or cheat sheet funnel for every type of hot, warm, or cold audience, for anywhere from unaware to most aware, and get more even niche specific so that you can send it out to the right person or different audience temperatures. Okay, again, do all the basic integrations, switch out things as needed. And then on the thank you page, the biggest thing here is not to let your content end. Okay, you can do 2 different things. You can just let them go ahead and download the free report, okay, or you can send them to your Facebook group. You can put in a video and say, hey, thanks for getting your cheat sheet, it's in your inbox, this is how you can get it, and show them exactly what the email looks like and where they can download it, so that they're giving you a real email versus them giving you a bogus email just so they can get to your free report. Okay, super simple, not going to go into super extensive on this. Use this funnel as one that you duplicate over and over by just hitting settings, clone the funnel, boom, and then you have another one that you can swap out and make it specific to your other needs. All right, that's all we got for this one.